Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild rodent known for its coat of sharp quills, generally not human-friendly. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as porcupine, porcupine, pine, porcupine. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as porcupine, porcupine, pine, porcupine. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about porcupines, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.